not necessarily be very high. So I would say that um, if you get a good B school, just join. No need, no, it's not necessary that you have to work, because you will gain experience over time. Do people with work experience have a quota in the institutes? In India, a quota is not there, but some weightage is given. Some marks, extra marks might be given for people with work experience in certain institutes. Salaries you can expect after an MBA. It depends on the B school that you are studying, and also depends on the economy, how it is doing when you are passing out. I can only say that if you study in a top B school, you can expect a good salary if you have learned a lot. Now, part-time MBA is something that is very dangerous. Unless there is no option, please don't go for it. Try to go for a full-time MBA. Of course, the advantage is that you can still work and do it. Specialized MBA programs available in India would be like MICA, which focuses on advertising, uh, IRMA, Institute of Rural Management Anand, which focuses on rural management, and some more programs are there. Distance learning programs, I do not recommend them. I'm not clear about specializations. Do you have to choose my specialization before I join? In many institutes, it's not required. In the IIMs, it's not required. You can choose the subjects in the second year, but in certain institutes, you have to choose the specialization even when you're applying. So again, it depends on the institute that you are doing. Now, if you have many years of experience, would PGPX, that's a postgraduate program for executives, better, or is a 2-year PGDM better? Now, if you have the opportunity to study for 2 years, then that would definitely be a much better option, because as I said, you can learn a lot in 2 years than you can do in a 1-year course. Second is, as of now, I would go to the extent of saying that the PGDM students who get into the top B school are of generally a higher quality and more preferred by recruiters. So if you are looking for a totally different role, then PGDM would be better. Uh, but having said that, I cannot generalize this. It also depends on where you are doing your PGDM or PGPX. The other options that you have: GMAT, MAT, TANSET. For GMAT is held throughout the year. It's used by 45 B schools in India. MAT is held 4 times a year. It's used by a lot of institutes. And then TANSET is Tamil Nadu Common Entrance Test. There is also the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, used by B schools in Tamil Nadu and in Maharashtra respectively. Now, what should you do? Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. Now, you either have to do an MBA or not do an MBA. These are the options. What is most important is to decide when you want to do it. Now, are you learning a lot in your current company? That is very crucial. Second, do you like your job? Third, do you want to continue doing this job for your life? Now, if you want to change your role, and if you feel that you are becoming stagnant, or if you feel that this is not what you want to do all your life, then it's time to go and do an MBA. But I would say that if you are doing an MBA, please do it only in a top B school. Do not go for very low level B schools which have not established themselves yet, because it is very dangerous. Second, another thing is that you should be very clear about why you want to do an MBA. Only then you should go, or at least you should have some idea about what you want to do. Please don't do an MBA because everyone else is doing it. Do it because you feel that you have a better future in that. Okay, so that's it about frequently asked questions. Now, I am an alumnus of IIM Calcutta, and I run a training center called Dream Chasers. I can be reached at 9941436511. We are based out of Chennai. So if you plan to write an MBA, I can assure you that I will do my best to make you more successful. If you found this presentation useful, send me a mail at wearedreamchasers@gmail.com. If you're planning to join a class, do come and talk to us. And then, before you make any choice, please come and talk to us. And if you find us to be good, then you can join our course. Please visit our website dreamchasersindia.com to see the feedback of some of my students. If you found this presentation useful, please also spread this video through Facebook, Orkut, Twitter, whatever way you want. All the best for your career. and I hope that you achieve your dreams.